Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Arena, and today we are going to be learning how to make a nav bar. So basically this is the logo, this is the menu section which is also called the nav bar, and this is the sign up button. And this is the main part of any kind of website, right? So we are going to learn how to make a nav bar here, and if you want to make this whole website design in Figma, then the link of the full video is in the description. So let's start with the first step of making the nav bar. So this is the orange logo and I'm gonna keep here. So I'm completely done with the logo. Now let's go with the nav bar. Basically nav bar is like home, about, contact or blog or anything. So let's create the nav bar. So we have all the information about the nav bar here, right? So basically in the nav bar, the font name is quicksand, the font weight is semi bold, bold for home. Like this home will be bold and the others will be semi bold. The font size is 22 pixels, the font color is black, and auto layout was added too. Okay, I'm gonna explain everything step by step. So first let's fill all these things, right? So firstly what we'll do is we are gonna create a text box here by clicking here, and then we are gonna write here home. So the home is almost ready. Firstly, the home font family is quicksand. Let's type here quicksand. Okay, the font weight will be bold just for home. The font size will be 22 and the font color will black, right? So we are done with this home. Now we are gonna click alt here, and then we are gonna duplicate this 1, 2 and 3 times, and then we are gonna write here features, then menu, and then the last one will be contact. So I don't want these three to be bold, I want these three to be semi bold, right? And then now you can see these are not placed well. So what we can do is we can select all of them and we can set the auto layout here. So this is auto layout, which really helps us to keep things perfectly. And if you don't want it, you have to set, if you want to set it manually, you can click minus here, right? So we are perfectly done with our nav bar. You can see this is the logo, this is the nav bar, and now we are gonna work on this sign up button. Let's talk about it. So this is the sign up button, and what we have to do is this is the rectangle. Basically first you have to make a rectangle, you have to remove the fill and add one stroke thickness, and then you have to set the text with the same information as navbar, right? So we'll duplicate the text. So firstly we'll create a rectangle. Just go with this shapes and click here rectangle, make a rectangle, set the width as 127 and the height as 50. So this is done, and now we are gonna add one stroke thickness and we're gonna remove this fill option, and then let's do this corner radius as 10, right? So that the corners will be curved, right? And then we have to duplicate this text, right? And we're gonna write here sign up. This is the rectangle and this is the text. We are gonna group them. Just select both of them by clicking shift and then click Ctrl plus G, right? So this is the sign up group, right? We have named this. So this is the sign up button, and then we are gonna keep this sign up button right here. So the sign up button is completely ready.